Welcome back. I am with a very important problem frequently asked in different exams. The problem is integration x squared dx by x sin x plus cos x whole square. Some students try to rectification, that is memorize this problem, but this is not possible because there are so many this type of problems, so you can't remember them in this way. So just recall that you have first get derivative of this. Look, what is derivative of this? dx of x sin x plus cos x. What is this? This product rule. So x cos x plus sin x minus sin x. So this is x cos x. Just notice the fact that derivative of this is x cos x. That's why I am splitting this integral in this way. X cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square into x sec x dx. I am writing this above this because its derivative is this. Now I have to do by parts, taking this as first function and this as second function. So I am writing x sec x integration x cos x dx by x sin x plus cos x whole square minus integration second bracket dx of first function, that is x sec x, then integral of second function, that is x cos x dx by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Okay, now you know that this x cos x dx is d of this, so I am writing this x sec x integration d of x sin x plus cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square minus integration second bracket derivative product rule x is 1 into sec x plus x sec x tan x, and then integration d of x sin x plus cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square second bracket close dx. Look, this is integration dz by z square, that is minus 1 by z. So integration will be minus x sec x by x sin x plus cos x minus integration, take sec x sin x by cos x, sec x tan x, sin x by cos square x. Put first bracket here, otherwise it will be wrong. Add them, it will be cos square x denominator, and this will be cos x plus this will be x sin x. Okay, into dz by z square minus 1 by z, that is minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x dx. Wow, very good. Look, this factor will be cancelled. Minus x f x by x sin x plus cos x. This is actually minus x square x dx. So integral will be minus tan x plus c. If you add them, you will get a better result. Plus c. LCM will be cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Here it will be x cos x plus sin x cos x, sin x into this, that is x sin square x plus sin x cos x. Plus c. Is there any improvement in the result? Sin x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Oh, 1 into x. Here it will be only x. It will be only x here. Oh. Cos x cancelled, then x sin square x plus sin x plus x, right. So answer will be sin x minus x cos x. Sin x minus x cos x. Both are this will be plus tan x. This will be plus tan x. So if you take minus common here, here will be minus, and the result will be, this will be minus, this is also minus. Minus, this is x cos square x minus sin x cos x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x plus c. So cos x will be cancelled and your answer will be x cos x minus sin x by x sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay, this is your answer. Next, let me do integration tan inverse under root 1 minus x by 1 plus x then dx. So here let x equals to cos theta, then dx will be minus sin theta d theta, and one more thing, 1 minus x by 1 plus x, that is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, this is 2 cos square theta by 2, that is tan square of theta by 2. So here it will be tan of theta by 2, tan inverse of tan of theta by 2 will be theta by 2, and then dx is minus sin theta d theta. So it will be minus of integration theta sin theta d theta, first function, second function, minus of theta integration sin theta d theta minus integration derivative of first function integral of second function second bracket closed d theta, third bracket closed. This will be minus half integration of sin theta is minus cos theta, so minus theta cos theta minus integration second bracket 1 into minus cos theta, so make it plus cos theta d theta, this, so this will be half theta cos theta minus half integration cos theta is sin theta plus c. Now we have to just go back to x. Half, let me change the chalk. Half cos theta is x, theta is cos inverse of x, and then minus half, let's take half common, minus sin theta is root over of 1 minus x square plus c. This will be answer. Half x cos inverse is minus half root over this. Okay. Next question. Sin inverse of integration sin inverse of under root x by a plus x. Let x equals to a times theta. So dx will be 2a tan theta sec square theta d theta. This is dx, and let me simplify the fraction also. X by a plus x, the x is a tan square theta, and a plus x will be a sec square theta, because a plus a tan square theta, we take a common, 1 plus tan square is sec square, cos square, a cancel, so this becomes sin square theta. Okay, and root over of this is sin theta. Becomes theta, sin inverse of sin theta is theta, dx is 2a tan theta sec square theta tan theta sec square theta d theta. Now this becomes 2a integration theta into square theta d theta. This is first function, this is second function. 2a theta integration tan theta sec square theta d theta minus integration d theta of theta integration tan theta sec square theta d theta second bracket closed d theta third bracket closed. Look, sec square theta d theta is d of tan theta. 2a theta integration tan theta d of tan theta minus integration is 1 into integration tan theta d of tan theta second bracket close d theta third bracket close. This will be 2a z dz z square by 2, that is theta by 2 tan square theta minus half integration tan square theta d theta. This will be 2 cancelled, a into theta tan square theta minus integration tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1 d theta. So now a into theta tan square theta, this is tan theta, this is theta plus c. Theta into 1 plus tan square theta, or tan square theta is x by a. So theta will be tan inverse of root over of x by a. Tan square theta is x by a, writing gi, minus tan theta is root over of x by a plus theta is tan inverse of root over of x by a plus c. You can write in this way also. If you multiply by a, then you get x plus a tan inverse of root over of x by a minus root over of a plus 2. Now let us have a short break. After the break I am coming with more problems. Till then, be there.